Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Line, I get a lot of different possible answers for what it's called, whether it be like a shower door pull or whether I call it a towel bar. Obviously, sometimes if I just call it towel bar, I get the shit that I would put on the wall. But I need the one that's got like the other side that would have, you know, maybe like a silicone gasket and kind of seal in so water doesn't get in. I guess I see you guys have some on your website, and you guys call it a towel bar. Is that kind of like the universal, I guess, name for it, or would a shower pull be correct?
I think they're both correct, but a towel bar could be used on a sliding door. It can also be screwed to the wall, so very unrelated. A pull, I would normally think of a pull as mounted vertically, but you could certainly slide or pull the door open with a towel bar pull. So there is no clear answer that I can give you, but if you were to tell me your application, I can tell you what it would be called, or at least most commonly called.
Yeah, I mean, I know it's a 24-inch horizontal bar that we throw a towel on, so I would assume it would be a towel bar. I mean, it's specifically in a glass door, like a sliding glass tub door. It's just bright chrome, and it has, you know, two end pieces on the inside in the shower. They're just getting kind of a little rusted and old. They're probably somewhere between 12 to 15 years old at this point. I just want to get it replaced with something new. But obviously, I can't walk into like a Lowe's or somewhere else because they don't sell it unless I buy a whole new door, and that's just not necessary.
Right on. Yeah, I mean, you know, would I think of that as a towel bar? I would not. Would you call that a towel bar? You would. But you would also call it a pull. So, you know, it's a towel bar at one time and it's a pull at another.
Yeah. Okay. I guess I see you guys have some stuff here on your website from AIW. Looks like it would probably fit. And looks like you, does all this stuff ship from Naples? I'm in Orlando, so I'm not super far away from you guys.
I wouldn't say that all of it ships from Naples, but a 24-inch polished stainless would ship from Naples. Gotcha. The inventory should be there on the right side below the Add to Cart button.
Gotcha. Okay. Oh, gotcha. Where it says ships from right there. If you guys have multiple locations, got it. Okay. Or maybe it's drop shipped or whatever, but I see you here. Okay. Awesome. Well, I do appreciate the help. Sorry, I know it's kind of a goofy-ass question, but it's hard to find the right thing online anywhere without it being the wrong thing. So I'm trying to get my hopes up here and find the rough ballpark of what I need.
You found the right item, and I will watch for the order.
Awesome. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it.
And to you. Bye-bye.
Take care.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.